Hi lovely, so come with me as we go to my review for the brushes. It's been exactly 1 month, so come along, let's go do this. I'm super happy.
So many reasons why
I'm super happy. Outfit of the day. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along to my first braces review appointment after having them installed a month ago. I'm super excited because we're starting the process of closing my open bite, and in my last video about getting braces I received a ton of questions and feedback from you all. Thank you so much to all my returning viewers for your support, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates on my braces journey. Let's get started. So we're already here at the clinic, and the first things first, we need to do some cleaning before any other thing can be done on my braces. So yes, stay tuned and let me know in the comment section what your questions are. Are you looking forward to having braces? Do you know somebody who's thinking of having braces installed? Let me know in the comment section what your questions are. What is holding them back? Your concerns. I'm here to take good care of you so that before you make that move to the orthodontist office, you have all your concerns taken care of. Miss Candy JB is here for you. Miss Candy JB all the way. Miss Candy JB in the house. Miss Candy JB gang. Okay. So in this vlog, what you will see here, number one is my experience at the orthodontist. Number two, how my braces have adjusted over the past month. 3, the steps we are taking to close the open bite, that is in my case, my open bite. And also last but not least, we'll be sharing some tips and insights for anyone considering or currently wearing braces. So these are just the basic steps that after your first month of braces installation, you will need to go see your orthodontist for the next month and the recurring months after that until the day you will have achieved your desired dental formula. So these are just basically the dental hygiene practices that will be put in place to ensure that everything is in order, everything is in good state, keeping the mouth, teeth, and gums clean and healthy. You don't want to have issues after going through all that to just secure a good, healthy dental formula. So right about now, what he's doing is he's just basically looking at the brackets that are loose to be able to tighten them, and if there are brackets that came off during my 1 month period, he'll be replacing them. After all is done, the cleaning, the replacement of brackets, the same old procedure will be done. The wiring will be put to position the brackets in place. And then before I forget, for my color lovers, you love colors, bright colors. Just to mention, every time that you'll be going for your dental review, braces review, you'll be able to pick a different plastic rubber. These are the rubber that I use to tighten the brackets to the wire, so that we can be able to achieve our ultimate goal of bringing you close to your perfect smile. Yeah, I said it. So for this time around, I went in for color pink. Yes, pink. Pink is the color. Not baby pink, but pink, like hot pink. That is the color that I settled for. I remember my orthodontist saying, "Are you sure you want color pink?" I said, "Yeah, that's the color I want." Yes, so you have a whole 12 plus months to play around with the colors. So for my next appointment, let me know in the comment section what you think, what you feel, or rather what you recommend me to select for my next color. I love colors. The last time I did purple. This time around I'm doing pink. So next time I might go in for a different bright dull color. So let me know in the comment section what you guys are suggesting. And I'm here to answer all all your questions, that I can get, you can have an easy time making up a decision for you, for your family, for a friend. Yes, it's only here at Miss Kenny JB's channel that you're gonna have all those concerns addressed. So keep watching, and do let me know in the comment section what you feel I would have done to make it easier, make you understand it better. Yes, so let's keep on watching. Thank you. I'm pretty sure that many of you are wondering what an open bite is. So just to shed some light on what an open bite is, it's an open bite is anytime when the top teeth don't touch the bottom teeth. As you can see in the video, my top teeth are not like in contact with my bottom teeth. So that is what we mean by open bite. So catch up, get along. Yes, so that is what we're trying to close up here. So there are various types of open bites, and in my case, this is anterior open bite. So it really matters on the severity of the open bites cases. So at that point, your orthodontist will advise on the ways that they will be able to close up on the open bite. So in this session, we will begin the process of closing up my open bite with the elastic rubber. So he's right about now, my orthodontist is just trying to show me how I'll be putting my elastics every night when I go to sleep. So yeah. And I'll show you guys in my next video how I do it every night. Like, it is just awesome. The ways that the doctors have gone out to find ways to make life better for each and every person is absolutely beautiful. Much thanks to St. George Orthodontics Dental Clinic. They are doing an amazing job to just impact lives out here and ensure everything is simple and very much straight to the point. There are no shortcuts, there are no complexity. I mean, simplicity is genius. Don't you agree? So the appointment went very well. The orthodontist made some adjustments to help start closing the open bite. I'm feeling pretty good about it. They also gave me some new care instructions, which I'll be sure to follow. I know a lot of you had questions about pain and adjustments, so I'll be sharing my experiences with that in future updates. So stay tuned and ensure you keep it locked with Miss Candy JB in the house. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this braces journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any updates on my braces journey. And I always keep it locked with Miss Candy JB in the house. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you. Mwah.